Welcome back, and in this video lesson I will show you how you can get the best theme for Shopify, which I will use to design the online store. So the theme we will be used to design the online store is the Debutify. I have tried and tested many themes so far, and the best theme, if you go to Buy shop, it does offer you the some free tea. It offers you some free themes, but the free themes provided by Shopify is not good enough. So you can see that here the current theme we have is done, and this don't, although it is good, it is not good enough. So you can always browse free themes in Shopify, but all the free themes provided by Shopify is not good enough. So the theme we will be using is called Beautified. The Beautified is also a free theme. It has many features, and it also has the paid plan, and which come with more feature. But the free version of Beautified is more than good enough to run your online store, and the free version of Beautified is better than any free themes provided by Shopify or any other free theme and valuable elsewhere, and that is why I will be using the Beautified. So to get the Beautified, go to the beautify.com. This will take us to the Beautify website. Once I will be here, then what we do is just click on this button, the Beautify free. We click on that and it asks you for your first name and email. Simply typing that. I am gonna do that right now. I just fill in the name and the email, and then I just click on this, the Beautified free. Alright, so this takes us to the next step. I will just select the first one. It doesn't matter, this is just for the sake of creating the account. And lastly, they are asking the store name Microsoft.com for us. This is the hyphen code. So this is the website. This is the URL of the Shopify. Alright, so in order to get this, you go to your Shopify and you can find it right here in the URL bar. Alright, so this is the domain that has the Microsoft.com. Alright, it's that simple. Copy that for your store and you just paste it right here at the Beautify and click on this button, the Beautify tree. Alright, after you click on that, it will take you to the something like this, and here you can click on install and install the app, and this will install the app, the Beautified, in your online store. And then you can see the beautiful theme is now installed in on your app in your Shopify store. In order to verify that, you can simply go to your Shopify dashboard. If you click on this app, you should see the beautiful theme right here, which means that this theme has been installed on your online store. Alright, so the first thing I have to do here is to just add this theme, and then to do that I simply click on this download button right here. You click on that and now just click on this add to this theme library. Alright, so you can see right here it is loading, and after this the beautified theme will add to your theme and then to your library, and from that I can start customizing the theme. Boom, you can see now it has been added right here. And if you want to see in your store, just go to your Shopify dashboard and here give it a quick refresh and the theme should pop up right here. You can see that the theme dinner right here, and if you scroll down you can see that the beautified theme right here. And to publish, to verify user, click on this and just click on the publish, right click on the publish, and this will make sure that the theme is our main theme right here and it has moved right here. Alright, in the upcoming video lesson I will show you how to customize the theme of Beautify to get the color you want, to get the look you want, and all kind of things. This is for this video, and I will see you guys in my next lesson.